It's a 2012 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. The legacy of the premium SUV started with the M-Class. It's the perfect marriage of German engineering and American sensibilities. And it comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, active lane departure, 4 12-volt power outlets, heated rear seats, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, 4MATIC 4-wheel drive with traction control, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com notes ride quality is exceptionally compliant with the standard setup of steel springs and conventional dampers. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.